Mag-DIY ka na lang, parehas lang naman. Mag-DIY ka na, tipid sa gastos. Mag-DIY ka na lang, wala naman masyadong magagawa ang mga agents. Mas okay nga ba ang mag-DIY? Pag-usapan natin. Hi, my name is Apple. I'm from Gateway to Canada. We are part of the Canadian Immigration Consultancy Group, and we've been helping Filipinos immigrate to Canada since 1989. Lahat ng information about Canadian visa application, yung mga checklist ng documents, application forms, guide, available naman po yan. Makikita nyo siya libre by visiting Canada's immigration website, that is cic.gc.ca. Hindi po mandatory na mag-hire kayo ng immigration lawyer or immigration consultant for purposes of visa application. Wala ring guarantee na kapag nag-hire kayo ng immigration lawyer or immigration consultant ay ma-approve ang inyong application. What then is the advantage of hiring an immigration representative? Let's discuss. Una muna, kung sa tingin mo ay kaya mo siyang gawin mag-isa, kung confident ka na kaya mo siyang gawin on your own without any help, then by all means, you can do it yourself. No? Maraming nag-a-apply directly without an immigration representative na nagiging successful yung application. In the same manner, may mga dumadaan sa mga consulting firms, immigration lawyers, immigration consultants na hindi nagiging successful yung application. Not all immigration representatives are created equal. Hindi rin lahat ng mga pumuposturang agents or representatives are actually authorized to represent you for a fee. Under the Canadian Immigration, Refugee and Protection Act, only authorized representatives are allowed to represent you for a fee. Ang mga authorized representatives are those who are members of the College of Immigration and Citizenship Consultants Canada, or those who are members and in good standing with the Law Society of Canada. Ang mga notaries sa Quebec, as well as those registered paralegals sa Ontario, are also considered authorized paid representatives. Ano naman ang advantage ngayon kung meron kang experience na immigration representative? First, if this is your first time doing Canadian visa application, you are more susceptible to commit mistakes. And small mistakes may cause huge problems. Kadalasan, magkakos ito ng delay, or worse, pwedeng mag-cause ng refusal ng application. So ang advantage kung meron kang i-hire na experienced consulting firms like Gateway to Canada, you can bank on their experience of more than 3 decades already. So yung mga common mistakes na pwede nyong pagdaanan, pinagdaanan na namin. While we cannot guarantee approval of your application, you can certainly bank on our experience. So pwede namin kayong iiwas doon sa mga common mistakes. We can help you increase your chances of approval through proper documentation. So, kailangan mo ba ng immigration representative or hindi? Ang sagot yan, depende sa circumstances mo. Depende sa kakayanan mo. If you think kaya mo siyang gawin on your own, by all means do that. Again, available ang information about Canadian visa application sa official government website, immigration website ng Canada, that is cic.gc.ca. Pero kung hindi kayo confident na kaya nyo siyang gawin mag-isa, then visit www.gatewaytocanada.com. Thank you.